try to get through this one without the battery dying. But remember, we had our circle, we had our standard form circle equation, h and k being the center. Here's my h, here's my k. And then the radius came from the end. So if r squared was 4, that meant r had to be 2. So all we really got to do is plot that center point. Remember, it's not actually on the circle, but it's a locator 3, -1, and then a radius of 2. That's pretty simple. I can go ahead and say r equals 2, just so that we know that. But the center was easily pulled from the equation. Alright, so what do we have left? Oh, piecewise functions. That shouldn't be too bad. So as we look at that piecewise function, that should be pretty fresh on your mind. Right, it has 3 pieces. X squared plus 1, negative x, and I was feeling kind of weird and I did log base x of 100. That wouldn't be the best one to do, but nonetheless, I chose it and you're stuck with it. So the pieces were picked based on the x values. So that means only one piece is going to apply based on the x value you try to plug in. Alright, so notice all 3 have different x values, right? None of these x values fit in here. They couldn't, otherwise it wouldn't be a function. So we're asked to evaluate, which simply means find the y value. So f of -2 really means find y, which we're going to do using these rules based on this particular x. So this particular x fits in the top piece. So all I've got to do is plug -2 in this form, and I'm going to get 5. Okay, part B, f of -1. -1 fits here, not here nor here, but just here. So the negative of -1, which is this piece, or 1. And part C, f of 10. 10 belongs to this one and this alone. So I'm going to be finding the log base 10 of 100. Remember, the answer to the log is the exponent. 10 to what exponent is 100? Well, that is going to be, of course, 2. Nice. Okay. Really far back, we're asked to find domain in the next problem. And domain is simply what can x be? What can x be? So I want you to think about the type of equation in A. It is quadratic, so 2x squared plus 12x minus 3. It's doing one of these sort of things, right? Whoa! You gotta know that. I mean, you gotta have some way to produce that. And you're going to, at least on the test. Right, but I knew that y-intercept. I don't necessarily think that's the minimum. But I used a key word and just kind of bring that up, didn't I? The minimum, the vertex, is kind of important for a parabola. How do we find it? Negative b over 2a. So negative 12 over 2 times 2. Or, what's that going to be? Negative 3. No, that's a coincidence. No, that's just a coincidence. And then how do we get the corresponding y? We plug it in. So we're going to get 9, 18, negative 18, negative 21.